Hi, my name is Darcy Corrier and I'm from Barry, and I wouldn't be here today without the generosity of blood donors. In January this year, I sustained a broken pelvis, back, jaw and neck following a near-fatal car accident on the M4. Emergency services worked at the scene of the crash for more than 3 hours to help me until I was taken to the University Hospital of Wales in Cardiff. My injuries were further complicated upon arrival when doctors identified I had internal bleeding, requiring 2 blood transfusions to stabilise me. I then spent the next 20 days in hospital undergoing treatment and beginning my rehabilitation and recovery before being able to return home to my family. Without the selflessness of blood donors, I would not be able to continue doing the things that I love, and I may not be here at all today. I now have the chance to fulfil my lifelong dream and compete for the title of Miss World, and it's thanks to blood donors. Those blood donations were truly the best gift I have ever received. Sadly, I cannot donate blood now following my transfusions, but I hope that by sharing the difference it made to me personally, it may encourage more people to consider donating, in particular those from Black, Asian and mixed ethnicity backgrounds, and if you are aged 17 to 30, sign up to the Welsh Bone Marrow Donor Registry. By coming forward, you are really helping patients in need. I still have a long way to go, but I'm recovering well from my injuries, and I will never ever forget the generosity of those blood donors who helped me in my time of need. You might be squeamish about giving blood, and that's understandable, but I can tell you from my own experience that simple act can save someone's life. Thank you.